Shop smarter with BrainyBuyer.com and support smarter by subscribing. Your click means more unbiased tests, clearer charts, and fewer decision headaches. Okay, so we're looking at two Weber grills, right? The Q2800N Plus and the Genesis 2S 435. Big difference in size right off the bat.
Definitely. The Q2800N Plus is designed to be compact. Says it fits on a balcony. The Genesis 2 is a full-size beast, almost 5.5 feet wide.
Yeah, the Q2800N Plus is portable. It only weighs around 30 pounds, while the Genesis 2 is a hefty 176 pounds. That's a huge difference.
Totally. In terms of cooking space, the Genesis 2 crushes the Q2800N Plus. It's got 646 square inches versus the Q's 320. Double the space, perfect for big cookouts.
And burner count. The Genesis 2 has 4 main burners plus a side burner and a sear station. The Q2800N Plus only has 1 main burner, although it does have a plus burner for extra heat.
Right, that plus burner on the Q is interesting, boosting its temp range to 250 to 700 F. But the Genesis 2 really brings the heat with a combined output of 69,000 BTUs.
Price-wise, the Q2800N Plus is at $399. It looks like the Genesis 2 is unavailable right now, but I'd guess it would be quite a bit more expensive, considering the size and features.
Definitely. The Genesis 2 is a premium grill, stainless steel grates too, which the Q2800N Plus doesn't have. It has porcelain enameled cast iron.
So if you're tight on space and need something portable, the Q2800N Plus is a good option. Plus, it has some cool tech like compatibility with Weber Connect, although the probes are sold separately.
But if you're serious about grilling, need lots of space, and want all the bells and whistles, sear station, side burner, and iGrill 3 compatibility, the Genesis 2 is the way to go. If you can find one, that is, since it's currently unavailable. And if you have the space for it, of course.
Good point. And the Genesis 2 has a 10-year warranty, which is pretty amazing.
That's a big selling point, yeah. Makes you feel like you're investing in something that will last.
Don't miss out on our next in-depth review to help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you're always in the know.